Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can change the detail of your assets which are uploaded on your Adobe Stock account. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Computer Geek. So this is Adobe Stock account and all these are assets which are uploaded. Suppose I want to change the name of this image. Click on it and here's the edit option. You can change the title. Then save it. It will confirm. In this way, you can change the category also and keyword. For more edit options, click on this file number. This will open this edit tool. You can edit here. You can generate variations of this image. You can save to library, like in edit option, agree. So you can remove background here. This is a free of cost option. You can expand the image and you can replace background with any other background. So in this way you can edit and you can change the name, keywords and other detail of the asset. Thanks guys for watching and learning.